Dude, this... That may be the worst thing I've ever seen, ever. Did I ever tell you about the kid who lives in my neighborhood that I want to kill? Not like actually, but like in Minecraft or like in GTA or something. He like yells and stuff, and he's really annoying. And he like showed up to my door and he tried to like enter my house, so I like, you know, I didn't hurt him or anything. I just kind of like yelled at him. It's funny because, you know, technically, yeah, I'm an adult, but I feel like I'm still like 16. So like that was my first time where I had to do like some adult stuff, and I was like, uh, you need to go back to your parents' house, or I'm gonna tell them. So leave now. You know what I mean? Anyways, that kid that I fucking hate, um, he like has this new meta for himself, I guess. He has like this little like cardboard like doohickey he fucking made probably in like English class or something, I don't know. And basically he just yells into it and it sounds like a really loud like annoying car. And at like 2 a.m. last night he was just outside for some reason going oh my god, I hate that kid. I hate him. He's my arch nemesis. I feel like in the movie Up, where he's like that stupid fucking kid and I'm like the old fucking dude that's like hates everything. But the way the movie would end would not be positive and sweet. It would end in terror and horror for him.
I got an email from her. She told me to come get her. And of course, that's how I ended up in nowhere, Louisiana. I found Mia being held captive in a dark basement. She wasn't thinking right. She attacked me like some kind of
I can't really fix this front. I can't even see the chat. Wait, where's the
special
chat?
kind of mold.
I can't use my computer right now. If you're typing in chat, I cannot
all over
see
the
it.
house trying to find an antidote, a vaccine, anything. The people who lived there were already infected. What was left of them was
Fuck!
the source of the infection was a bioweapon that looked like a little girl. Her name was Evelyn.
Don't.
I fought the fucked up
Don't you
family.
fucking
I was
dare.
able to treat Mia's symptoms with a serum.
Okay. Oh, it tells you your PC specs. That's kind of cool. Just flex real quick. Oh, wait, what the heck? How did I end up on this random Resident Evil screen that shows my computer specs? What the heck? That's so weird. What the freak? That's weird. Okay, interesting thing to have for a setting. Okay.
We moved here so that she wouldn't have to deal with any of that, remember?
There's nothing wrong with my memory. You're just being paranoid.
It's not... Never mind. I'm sorry. But I'm not paranoid. I'm just cautious.
I don't like her.
Then, go cautiously take your daughter to bed.
I don't like her. That baby's head is fucking huge.
It's okay, Rose. Your mother doesn't want to remember it. I can't blame her.
I'm gonna sneeze about 15 times.
Did you say something?
Nothing. I'll put her down.
I said hurry up and finish that fucking dinner. Fucking bitch. Oh, just bumped her fucking head on the door. Sorry. Okay, you sleep in here because you're a baby.
There you go, sweetheart. Don't you worry. I'll be right downstairs. Daddy won't let those weird fairy tale monsters get you.
Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, this is coming with me. Sorry, Rose. Oh. Fuck! No! God damn it. Okay. Can I bring the block? Oh, I can. Okay, the block's coming with me. Come on. Get out of there. Get out of there. Okay. Yeah, you're coming with me. Come on! Come on! Just come with me. Okay, now this is the fun part. We get to go downstairs with it. Okay, it's really hard to... It's not... Whoa, what was that? Examine. Okay. Is that a TV screen? Or a mirror? I don't... Looks like a TV. You were locked in? Yeah, it won't move though. Look at this. Look. Where'd it go? Oh. Yeah, because you can't like get behind it or jump. If you could jump, I would have it already down the road. I will say though, I really like this entrance to this house. It's nice and cozy. But I don't like how dark and scary it is. I do like the living room. It's pretty chill. Kind of though, but see, I don't like when I can't see my corners. Like when you're in like a restaurant or like a house, if you can't check your corners, I don't like that. Like if I'm sitting in this couch watching a movie like this, imagine me, I'm sitting down. If I look to my right here, there could be a monster right here just watching me with perfect cover. Like perfect cover right there, and I don't like that. So I would have to take out this whole wall. This whole wall would have to go. All right, I'm gonna scare her. Oh, it won't let me. Fuck.
Is she okay?
Sleeping like...
No, I think she has a tumor in her brain. What is happening to the soup?
That smells good.
What in the hell?
Hands off,
Oh,
mister. It's churba de legume. It's a local recipe.
no, I was talking about the
Wow,
wave
gone
that's
full
going in it.
native, haven't you?
Local wine, too.
I'm gonna
But if you're gonna keep
sneeze.
sulking all evening, maybe you shouldn't have any.
Oh
you really
no.
have to stop worrying.
Pull me up.
It's just finding you in Louisiana, the pregnancy, Chris moving us here, military training, it all happened so fast, you know?
Well, at least we're all together. You, me, Rose. Now, everything's gonna
Seriously, think we can just forget about what happened in Louisiana?
be... It happened so long ago. I don't understand why you are so...
Mia!
I told you we have to take down the whole wall. You can't check your corners. Ah!
Mia!
No! Wait, hold on. Okay, how do I fuck with the settings? What is the BS button? What is the BS button? The bullshit button. I don't know how to use that one. How do I adjust stuff? Oh. Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh. Let's make it orange. Okay. We'll make it a movie screen. Game logo, yes. Okay. I can't change this though. Oh, it fucking resetted. My work. Precious work. Uh-oh. The wine. So she's dead, right? Honestly, good riddance.
Mia.
That soup
Oh,
looked like
God.
shit, by the way. Uh-oh.
Chris? What the hell?
Sorry, Ethan.
No! What? Why?
I told them they should have taken out that wall. We would have been able to check our corners. Everything would have been fine.
Go on, move!
Where are we going?
All clear. Rose? What the hell you doing with my daughter?
Package secure, sir.
Package secured.
Take him away.
I said get your hands off her!
Ethan, no.
138 hours in the game. 1 trophy and logged into photo mode. There's nothing wrong with that.
Get him out of here.
I hate the sound of baby crying. It's so annoying. Like, shut the fuck up. Grow up. What'd you do? You're crying because you're hungry? Wait, I'm gonna do that thing where you hold your nose and you blow the wind out your ears. I'm scared one time I do that, my eyes are gonna be like Tom and Jerry, like cartoon, like wah, wah, like just like pop out of my fucking head. Okay. All right, let's play the game. Sorry.
Jesus.
Sorry, I thought about snow and it made me cold. Excuse me, fuck.
About damn time. What's your status? The package thing.
What are you talking about?
Top secret.
Where's Chris Redfield? And Rose?
Who is this? This is a secure channel.
Fuck.
I'm sorry, dude. I can't help
What
it.
the hell happened here?
Oh my fucking god. Okay. Alright. Dude! Okay. No, stop. Please stop. I'm gonna end the fucking stream if I don't stop. Okay. Why doesn't it tell me my frame rate anymore? Whatever. Wait, what did I just do? Stop sneezing. Just press the button and stop. Doesn't work like that. Fuck. I feel you, Ethan. I'm in the same pain. I love how fast you move in this game. That's pretty good. Just follow the footsteps. That was so easy to avoid. I don't know how you cut yourself on barbed wire like that. What is that? Oh, they're birds. There's a lot of birds. Uh-oh. Someone hung this bird. That's kind of extra to do. That was literally a haunted house machine. That was literally a haunted house. Like, jump scare. You, like, accidentally press the button on the floor and it goes... Some big machine goes... And then it goes like... And, like, light flickers. What the heck was that? Well, we got dinner. What is that, crappie? Crappie tuna? You're not gonna believe me, but I gotta sneeze. Okay, there's a witch broom, so a witch lives here. That's good to know. The Wicked Witch of the West. The Wicked Witch of the West. Yeah, dude, let's go down into a basement in the middle of the woods. What a smart guy. That's what I would probably do, too. That sounded like Santa Claus just like collapsed through the fucking roof onto like the dining room table. Oh, the poor horse. Just kidding. Horses are low-key kind of scary. I don't trust them. Okay, should I go in the creaky ghost door or should I go this way? I'm gonna go this way. Actually, no, I don't want to go that way. I'm gonna go in here. So, you see these garlics? That means that they're trying to protect themselves from vampires. So that means that vampires probably live around here. Okay, this is a clean house.
They're out.
An easy to pick lock. Well, how about you fucking pick it then? Okay. Jesus Christ, that scared me. Not the thing that happened on screen, but my fucking roommate just started vacuuming. Fuck, I'm getting scared by IRL sounds. What is he doing? This needs some kind of other item. Wait, did I just come from this way? Yeah, I did. Okay, I'm already lost. There's way too much shit everywhere. Do not enter. Okay, I won't. Definitely can't go this way. Yeah, no, I don't think so. Let's see. What is this doing here? I don't know, maybe some kids? Like, bro, what? This is like fucking Fallout Town. It's like the beginning town of fucking Fallout 4. Is there an ice cream truck? I'm gonna get the SpongeBob ice cream.
What happened?
Graveyard Workshop ceremony site. Locked due to missing homeowner. That is not what that says. What is this? It's locked. Everything is fucking locked. Some force could break it. Or is a quick look button? I don't like that. Okay, I got a knife. First aid meds. Okay, now we're talking. I have something to defend myself with.
Did they just run out of the house?
Is that Jello?
Yeah.
I wouldn't fuck with me if I were you. I have a blade. Can I not go through here? Yeah, I can. Oh, fuck you.
Friendly.
Jesus Christ.
Who are you? Who sent you?
The devil.
There was an accident down the road and... What's going on?
Stupid penis butt service. Ah! Why did he look like that? Ah! Here, give me the gun. We'll be more safe if I have the gun.
What the hell was that?
You have a gun?
What?
Please tell me you have a gun.
No.
No, why would I?
Take it! Take it!
Hey, are you listening? Hey!
No!
What the?
Oh my fucking god, dude. Twitch. I know you don't care about me, but please fix your fucking shitty website with these stupid fucking retards.
Unmanageable slingshot. If you buy followers from here, you'll get 1 million viewers.
Fuck you. I don't fucking care. I don't care. And I will track every last one of you and find you. I'm going to Six Flags. That'd be fun. I've been to I've been to Six Flags before. It was pretty cool.
Dead body? Wait, there's more.
Are you going to Six Flags like today? I probably shouldn't waste ammo.
Jesus Christ.
Like right now. Oh shit. Well, have fun, man.
What the hell is wrong with this place?
Services butt. Cheeks. Sorry, man. What is that? Why is this guy always getting hurt? There goes my fingers. Every video game. Driving there? Oh, okay, I see.
Shit! What the fuck was that?
Every video game, I get my finger taken off.
No.
Not until like 20 minutes. Well, hope you have fun, man. Ah! So that took what, 11 bullets?
What the hell?
That's awesome. So what about my hand? I need a herb. There we go. Do I need to take it? Can't. I hope this dog butt penis crap cheese on a single potato service can kill themselves. Yeah, true. Nothing's worse than having bad service, probably. I think I'd rather go back to the Great Depression than like have bad service. I have to watch you on 160p. That's fucking awesome. How do I look? What does this look like? Okay, there's a scary guy in here. Hello? Oh, it's just a radio.
Help, please!
Oh. Oh, ammo. Uh-oh. Okay, sorry. My roommate is vacuuming like the entire house right now. He loves to do shit like this when I stream. What is happening? Wait, what is happening? Barricade it. Kill yourself, service. True. Hello? Are you kidding me? You don't weigh that fucking much. Yeah, dude, let's vacuum the house while you stream. I'm about to go give him a piece of my fucking mind. And he's not gonna like that. Hello, Claire jeans. Where'd you get your jeans, Claire? Claire's? Should I go kill my roommate or what? Can y'all hear that? Is it loud? Tanner is awesome. No, he's not. He's not some. He's not awesome. Yeah, beat him up. Okay. Dude. What could you possibly be vacuuming right now? Okay, close the door. Thank God. Have some respect. Okay. Chemical fluid. I don't even give a fuck. Yeah, I don't even care. Oh, I'm the fucking house. See if I care. I don't give a fuck. Okay, well, hold on. Don't break the door. Okay. Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? What do I do? What do I do? Oh, shit. Shit! I'm dead. Get off of me. What the fuck? Where do I go? What do I do? Get out of the fucking way. There's nowhere to go. There's actually nowhere to go. Can I break this? What do I do? I'm gonna die. Wait, what the fuck? Uh-oh. Fuck, where do I go? What do I do? Okay, he's dead. A crystal skull. No, actually though, what do I do? Okay, what are you doing? What am I doing? I'm playing a video game. What? Where are you from? Earth? You didn't beat him up. Show him what's up. You cheeseburger. Just press the button and not die. Just stop dying. Press the button. What button? What fucking button? What button? What are you talking about? Give me that. Okay. So there's a treasure button. A treasure item. Crystallized remains of a sharp-fanged creature. Okay. It's kind of cool.
Is it over?
Is that it?
Hello. If there are any survivors out there, come to my
Oh, the block button.
to Louisa's house near the fields.
Survivors?
You pickle tickle cheese it? Don't call me that. I hate cheeses. They're disgusting. They're actually disgusting. Okay, where did they say to go? Come to the house near the fields? Okay. Come to the house near the fields. Let's see. I hear another monster. Oh, there he is. Oh, fuck you. I should have shot him. Oh yeah, I can't go this way. Can I go this way? Nope. Just press it. I don't know what it is. Duh. Okay, there's 2 monsters. I don't like that. Hey, Cryptic, what are you doing?
Well, theoretically, if you think about it on a hyperbolic level, molecular level, it appears I'm playing a video gamification of entertainment medium. Like, what do you want to say? What do you want to say?
Damn it.
Oh god. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What do I do? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he's a Molotov. That's not good. I'm leaving. Fuck you guys. Hey, everyone stand right next to this red barrel. Nothing will happen, I promise. Just stand right next to this red barrel.
Shit. There's no end to this.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. It's not opening. Gunpowder. Ah!
Where the fuck do I go? This game sucks. I'm just gonna have to kill everything? Who's shooting an arrow at me? What the fuck? You said it's so nerdy, it's funny. Stickle for a pickle, for a nickel, cripple dick. Don't do that. Maybe if I hide behind the hay bale? Hey Bill, what's up? Hey Bill, yo, what's up? Ow. Yo, Gert. Yo, Gert, what's good, bro? Hey Bill. Yo, Bill says what's up. Hey. Okay, what if I go back here? Nope, can't do that. This game is annoying as fuck. I just want to play it. I don't want to like fight dudes with infinite health, and I'm stuck back here. Who has the arrows? I'm out of ammo. And there's like 15 more. Here we go. This is just like RE4 all over again. Who's shooting the fuck? What the fuck is that, bro? Come on, dude. Oh, go into here. They won't find me in here. Oh shit. Ow, 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 ow. Stop, please stop, please stop, please stop. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Oh my god, climb up. I never judge a cover by its book. Okay, that's true. I forgot the classic. Yeah, that's yeah. I'll do that. I mean, I won't do that. It's full of flour. No shit. Okay, I got a shotgun. Okay, what is happening in this Shoot! Wait, was this supposed to happen or am I dead? Please tell me this is supposed to happen. This is too stressful. I'm just gonna leave the game. Why do they have horses? This is supposed to happen for sure. Yeah. Settle down, everyone. This is how we introduced our guest around here. The name's Harry. Harry Beard. Search everything, you butt. I did. That's why I beat it. Okay. You're actually supposed to not pull that out. Fun fact. You're supposed to keep it in until you go to a doctor's office and they will take care of it for you. Now my shoes are all wet. Wow, yeah. The bloke. Should have signed out. Uh-oh, who's that?
Wait.
How is she closing the gate with her mind? Please wait. Survive the Lycan attack. Yeah, I'd like to get out of this game. What the
I
hell?
don't think anyone was left. You must be pretty tough. Huh.
I'm alright.
Who the fuck are you?
Oh, you're not local. Even better.
Is he a magician?
Mother Miranda is gonna love you.
Fuck is happening? He's just a magician guy.
Wait, you're whining. We're almost there.
All right.
Lycans and gentlemen, we thank you for waiting. And now let the games begin.
We're playing Fortnite.
Let's see. Ethan Winters.
Get ready.
No!
10,
Uh-oh.
9, 8, 7, 6,
Uh-oh.
5, 4, 3,
Go.
2, 1. Showtime!
Uh-oh.
Jesus Christ!
That's right. Run for your life.
Wait, how am I hearing him? Uh-oh.
Very nice, Ethan.
Thank you. Oh, not this fucking dude. Ooh. No. Ah, fuck you. Oh, I thought I was just falling. I'm sliding. I'm fine. Holy shit, we're picking up speed.
You're still alive? Impressive.
Impressive. Okay, what is this saw trap?
Shit!
How did they even set this up?
Word. You truly are as strong as they say. Oh, you didn't think I'd let you get away, did you? Gotta keep
shit.
Father and Moreau entertained. So now it's time for the beautiful, blood-soaked grand finale. Nothing like fresh American ground beef.
God damn. That was close.
Too close.
Wait, do those freaks have Rose?
There was another box, I swear. I swear. There we go. Oh, I still have all my shit. Oh, they fucked up.
Looking for Rose?
Alright, here's the sisters. Oof. What was that for?
And blood.
Oh, we're zooming now. Oh, it's kind of fun.
Mother, I bring you fresh prey.
You are so kind to me, daughters. Now, let's take a look at him. Well, well, Ethan Winters. You escaped my little brother's idiot games, did you?
Yeah, it was pretty easy, to be honest.
Let's see how special you are.
Yes, Mother.
Yes, Mother.
Y'all are fucking freaky.
Starting to go a little stale.
Then let's devour his man flesh quickly, Mother. I am the one who captured him.
Now, now, daughters. First, I must inform Mother Miranda. But later, well, there will be enough for everyone. Put him up.
Put him up. Stick him up.
Oh, be careful what you wish for, Ethan Winters.
What does that mean?
Wait, what are you doing?
Fuck. Okay, well now what do I do? Here we go. Why would you do it that way?
You crazy witches.
Jesus Christ. That was the worst way to go about that. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay. This is like where Abraham Lincoln got shot and assassinated. Eye ring. You cannot use that here. Are you sure? Really? What the fuck? Can I not pull this fucking huge elaborate lever? Like, you would think I have to pull that. But I guess not. This bed looks so fucking cozy. Oh my god. Fucking stupid plate. This is an interesting room. Is this just like a bathroom? You just piss and shit in this and you just wash your hands on the sides? Oh my fucking god. I'm dead. Motherfucker, dude. Back up! Fuck, dude, back up! Fuck, dude. Oh my fucking god.